Hey guys, Harbor Ridge Cheshire Kid 123 here. Today we have I think this is like a 29-inch Monte Carlo fan and oil rub bronze. And as you can see, it is in its new location, my grandparents' back porch. The install went pretty well. But I did have to do something up here. Yeah, that's what I had to did there. But other than that, it works pretty darn good up here. So, start with the light. This fan light gives out more light than that one. And we'll start with low. This is not gonna be the Monte Carlo's permanent install. I'm probably gonna put up the plastic Emerson that you guys might see. That plastic Emerson would look more cooler in here. But for now, this is the Monte Carlo spot. And it does have a little wobble there. It's a fast little fan. Alright, thanks for watching.